Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of online money making, and trust me, you're gonna love this one. We're talking about 5 lazy ways to make a cool $100,000 online in 2024. Forget the 9-to-5 grind, this is all about working smarter, not harder. Before we jump in, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's unlock the secrets to financial freedom.
Alright, first up, we've got dropshipping. This is one of the most popular ways to sell stuff online without ever having to touch the product yourself. Imagine this. You list a product online, something you think people will love, someone buys it, and then, get this, someone else ships it for you. You don't have to worry about storage, packaging, or shipping. You're basically the middleman, but like the cool kind who rakes in the cash. You focus on marketing and customer service, while your supplier handles the rest. Here's the breakdown. Find a product that's trending, like those fidget spinner things everyone was obsessed with a while back. But obviously something current. It could be anything from tech gadgets to fashion accessories. Next, set up shop on a platform like Shopify. This is where you'll showcase your products and manage your sales. Don't worry, it's way easier than it sounds. Shopify has tons of templates and tools to help you get started quickly. Then, find a supplier, usually on sites like AliExpress, who'll handle the inventory and shipping. Make sure to choose a reliable supplier with good reviews. Now, here's the fun part. You gotta market your product. This is where your creativity comes into play. Think Instagram ads, TikTok videos, maybe even some influencer shoutouts. Get creative. The more engaging your content, the more likely people are to buy. The goal is to drive traffic to your store. Influencers can help you reach a larger audience quickly. When someone buys your product, boom, you make a profit. The difference between the price you set and the cost from your supplier is your profit margin. The best part, you never even have to see the product. It's all handled by your supplier. It's like magic, but with money. You focus on growing your business while the logistics are taken care of. Just make sure you're providing excellent customer service and handling any returns smoothly. Happy customers are more likely to come back and buy again. Dropshipping is all about finding the right product and marketing the heck out of it. The more effort you put into your marketing, the more successful you'll be. Do it right, and you'll be swimming in passive income before you know it. Imagine making money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with loved ones. That's the dream, right? And once you get the hang of it, you can scale up, add more products, explore new niches, and watch your business grow. The sky's the limit with dropshipping. So if you're looking for a way to make money online without the hassle of handling products, dropshipping might just be the perfect fit for you. Give it a try and see where it takes you.
Next up, we're talking print on demand, which is basically like dropshipping, but with your own designs. Ever dream of seeing your face on a t-shirt? Okay, maybe not your face, but like a cool logo or a funny quote. With print on demand, you can sell custom designed products without ever touching a printing press. Here's how it works. Come up with a killer design. It could be anything from motivational quotes to cute animal pictures, whatever floats your boat. Then sign up with a print on demand platform like Printful or Printify. They handle all the production and shipping, so you don't have to worry about a thing. Once you've got your designs ready, create an online store. Just like with dropshipping, you can sell your products on your website, or even better, list them on marketplaces like Etsy or Amazon. That's where the real money is. Just like with dropshipping, marketing is key. Show off your awesome designs on social media, run some targeted ads, and watch the orders roll in. The beauty of print on demand is that you can constantly test new designs and products. See what's selling well and double down on it.
All right, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This one's all about leveraging your audience to make money. Basically, you recommend products or services to your followers, and when they make a purchase using your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like being a salesperson, but without the cheesy suit and the awkward phone calls.
First things first, you need an audience. Whether it's on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or even a blog, you need people who trust your recommendations. Once you've got that down, find companies that offer affiliate programs in your niche.
For example, if you're all about fitness, you could partner with sportswear brands or supplement companies.
Now, here's the key. Don't just shove products down your audience's throats. Nobody likes that. Instead, genuinely recommend products that you believe in and that would benefit your followers. Be honest, be transparent, and most importantly, be yourself.
When you promote a product, make sure to use your unique affiliate link. That way, the company knows that the sale came from you, and you get your well-deserved commission. Affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize your existing audience and earn passive income while you sleep.
Now let's get into the fascinating world of digital products. This is a realm where creativity meets technology, and the possibilities are virtually limitless. This is where things get really interesting. Imagine having the power to create something once and then sell it repeatedly without any additional effort. It's like having a golden goose that keeps laying eggs. Imagine creating something once and selling it over and over again without any additional effort. This concept is not just a dream, it's a reality for many successful digital entrepreneurs. That's the beauty of digital products. They offer a unique opportunity to generate passive income, freeing you from the constraints of time and location.
Think about it. Ebooks, online courses, stock photos, templates. The possibilities are endless. Each of these products can be created once and sold multiple times, providing a steady stream of income. What skills or knowledge do you have that you can package into a digital product? Maybe you're an expert in photography, cooking, or even knitting. Whatever your expertise, there's a market for it. Once you've got your idea, it's time to create your product. This is where your creativity and skills come into play. Whether it's writing an ebook, recording a course, or designing a template, the creation process is both challenging and rewarding. This is the part that requires some upfront work, but trust me, it's worth it. The effort you put in now will pay off in the long run as your product continues to generate income.
Next, choose a platform to sell your digital masterpiece. There are numerous options available, each with its own set of features and benefits. You can create your own website, use platforms like Gumroad or Etsy, or even sell directly through social media. Each platform has its own audience and advantages, so choose the one that best fits your needs. The choice is yours. Just like with any other online business, marketing is crucial. Without effective marketing, even the best products can go unnoticed. Highlight the benefits of your product, offer early bird discounts, and leverage the power of social media to get the word out. Use engaging content and visuals to attract potential customers.
The great thing about digital products is that you can automate most of the process. Set up an email sequence to nurture leads, use social media scheduling tools, and watch the sales roll in while you sip margaritas on the beach. Automation tools can handle everything from customer inquiries to payment processing, allowing you to focus on creating more products or simply enjoying your newfound freedom.
Last but not least, we've got online course creation. This is an incredible opportunity for those who have a wealth of knowledge in a particular field and are eager to share it with the world. This one's perfect for all you experts out there who are passionate about sharing your knowledge. Imagine turning your expertise into a comprehensive course that can help others learn and grow. Whether you're a whiz at photography, a coding guru, or a master chef, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. People are always looking to acquire new skills, and your unique insights can be incredibly valuable to them.
First things first, identify your niche and your target audience. This step is crucial because it helps you tailor your content to meet the specific needs and interests of your potential students. What are you passionate about teaching? Your enthusiasm for the subject will shine through and make your course more engaging. Who are you trying to reach? Understanding your audience's demographics, interests, and pain points will help you create content that resonates with them. Once you've got that figured out, it's time to create your course curriculum. This is where you outline the structure of your course, ensuring it flows logically and covers all the necessary topics. Outline the topics you'll cover, break them down into modules, and decide on the format of your course. Will it be a series of video lessons, downloadable workbooks, or a combination of both? Will it be video lessons, downloadable workbooks, or a combination of both? Think about what format will best convey your material and keep your students engaged. Get creative and make it engaging. Use multimedia elements, interactive quizzes, and real-world examples to make your course content come alive.
Now, it's time to choose a platform to host your course. This decision will impact how you deliver your content and interact with your students. Popular options include Teachable, Thinkific, and Podia. Each platform has its own set of features, so take the time to explore them and choose the one that best fits your needs. These platforms provide all the tools you need to upload your content, market your course, and process payments. They make it easy to manage your course and focus on what you do best, teaching. Promote your course like crazy. The more people know about it, the more likely you are to attract students. Leverage social media, email marketing, and even paid advertising to reach your target audience. Use these channels to share valuable content, build relationships, and drive traffic to your course. Offer early bird discounts, free webinars, or bonus content to incentivize people to sign up. These promotions can create a sense of urgency and encourage more people to enroll.
Creating an online course takes effort, but the earning potential is huge. With the right approach, you can generate a significant income while doing something you love. Plus, you get the satisfaction of helping others achieve their goals. It's a win-win. Not only do you benefit financially, but you also make a positive impact on the lives of your students. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your online course today and share your knowledge with the world. Thanks for watching. If you want more ways to become wealthy, make sure to check out our other videos on the channel. See you next time.